Hello everybody, Jamie from JC Dynamics, and I'm just installing my boom blaster horn. I got it in the Dixie Chopper Dukes of Hazzard sound for my side-by-side. I did up a wire and loom here, so you got, it's a 2-wire system, so you got to run a double red to the power, so it goes to the in-cab switch, and I wired it up to the pulse bar plug that Polaris has, so I could just easily connect it into the pulse bar and get power. And I'm just at the point where I'm going to add this loom over the wire and tape it all together, then run my 2 power switch and my activation switch wire for the horn into the inside of the cab to a 1 push button system. There I got the main switch for the horn wired up, and I got it shrink wrapped. And I'm just about to test it. You can kind of see I'm inside the garage, and it's wired up to the buzz bar. And now we're going to hit the button to see if it works. Pretty loud.